My name's Deb Hunt. I'm an ag teacher at Kangaroon Area School in South Australia in the Limestone Coast region. The unit of work that I reviewed was Unit 19 in Technology in Food and Fibre Production. This unit of work encourages me to teach beyond the obvious and I guess explore a little bit deeper into technologies and how that has a huge impact on our food and fibre production. This generation of students are technology mad, I guess, and they seem to gravitate towards those types of things anyway, so anything to do with new technologies, things that they haven't seen or learnt before, is something that they really enjoy, and I think this unit of work has definitely helped to open up, I guess, those avenues and pathways for the students to learn about the new technologies. The changes in technology are phenomenal, and the students really enjoy learning and seeing the different technologies in action. The grape harvesters and the big tractors with their GPSs, that type of thing. When I'm teaching units of work, I will definitely be thinking more about that, and also for them to, creatively think about, how things are produced and then maybe coming up with some of their own ideas. It's really important for students to understand those processes, that a jumper just doesn't turn up in the shop. The processes behind the sheep, the production of that, the production of the wool, the shearing, and then that turned into a fibre eventually to make clothes out of. I guess I think back to my own learning experiences, and I know the best way for me to learn is that hands-on experience and getting out there and having a look at different processes. I'll use a vineyard as an example, just to know the process behind the machinery that needs to be used. This vineyard is a private vineyard, it's only very small, so we're actually having a look at how wine is produced, I guess how they would have done it 50 years ago. Then later on in the unit we'll be actually going to a commercial vineyard and having a look at all the new technologies that they use now to produce wine.
This is very basic, and it would go back to how wine was probably made long before it became really commercialised. And here we have a crusher stemmer, and if you look inside here, because I've taken the cover off, it's like a big cheese grater. Very basic, but that's the way we do it on a very small scale.
So an excursion like this enables the kids to see and experience grape picking firsthand, and then the technical background to how wine is made is then also shown, the process is shown to them, and then we take that back into the classroom and then we can elaborate. It's a great snapshot of the new way of doing things as opposed to the old, so the kids will get a really good idea about how important new technologies are.
We've got two different types of bottles. There's the more modern push-on screw cap. The more traditional way, going back, is the corks, and this is just our little corking machine. We do our own corking. It's just a matter of setting a bottle in there, handle like so, and like that. There you go, you've got your cork bottle.
This unit of work will encourage kids to explore a whole different side to agriculture. Because technology is so dynamic and complex and it's ever changing, this unit of work provides really good resources and that are current and up to date. So that gives me the confidence to be able to teach that. So it's really to do with a lot of my own learning as well.